buses and hitchhiking all the way down south to Rameshwaram. So this poem I wrote was last year for a gathering of a friend, young woman that I love very much and admire. Her name is Helen. Are you there, Helen? No. Okay. And it was for a birthday, and I had to come up with a poem, so I thought I'll just write it. Actually, I wrote more poems. That was when I was very young teenager, like 13, 14. And with young friends, we were making a little movie of Commedia dell'arte, Piero and Colombine, and I was Colombine and he was Piero. And we were much in love, and everything was fine up to he had to go to service military and station in Germany, and my heart was broken. So we wrote letters, but bada-boom, crack, crash, screaming. My friends found the letters, of course, and that was the end of the romance. So I took a big pad, and wrote many letters of love. My heart was bleeding and heartbreaking, and so I got over it. I don't remember. I have not the book anymore. So I don't know if I ever write another one, but this one is written and it's ready to be told. Some of you may enjoy breathing with me the 5 first lines. The title of the poem is La Belle Hélène, the beautiful Helen. That is the name of my friend, and I look on the web and I found a story that was fascinating about Helen of Troy, the most beautiful woman in the world at the time, that got kidnapped, probably quite willingly, and made a lot of wars and killed people, but she was really a star at the time. So this is La Belle Hélène, the beautiful Helen. I am radiating with light. I breathe light. I am light. I am radiating with health. I breathe health. I am health. I am radiating with joy. I breathe joy. I am joy. I am radiating with youth. I breathe youth. I am youth. I am radiating with love. I breathe love. I am love. My youth is the most fulfilling element of my life. It is my beauty. I entertain it. I can lie in the midday or sit through the night. The seasons don't affect me. I forgot what time is. My commitment to my youth is ancient, and my feelings are renewed from one Shiva moon to the next. Its promise lays high for healthy survival. I am immature. It is my stability. I admire her brilliance. I rejoice her magnificence. Gold is the color of her lips, and the storm at sea vanishes into her soothing eyes. I am ageless. I am goddess. I have no roots, nowhere to go. I don't care where to wander. I revel in my immutability. I don't care who I am. I don't care who I should be. No matter how I look, stunning, brilliant, fabulous. No, just simply beautiful. Are some questions irrelevant? Where to wander? How many years behind or ahead? How do I feel? Woman divine, full power. I admire her brilliance. I celebrate my youth. I am blessed with her clarity. I immerse myself in her infinity and cleanse in her eternity. May I never forget the essence of my being. It is my inner smile which makes the success of my aim. It brightens my face. It lifts up my thoughts and battles my faith. With the help of my breath, it reconnects deep from within my spirits to every cell of my body. I call it the smile of the accepting soul. I am a warrior against time, a conqueror of glory, and a victor for truth. I am radiating with light, with health, with joy, with youth, and with love. Je rayonne de lumière, de santé, de joie, de jeunesse et d'amour. Boum, 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 Shiva.